Drop it.
Back. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a constant using the hash-defined preprocessor. Let's now go to our code. Now I have preloaded our program here, so it's the same as what we had in our previous example wherein I'm going to use here the constant keyword. The program computes for the volume of the hemisphere. Let's now check our codes here. This section is our variable declaration wherein we have the variable r and volume, and then we have here our constant declaration. This section here allows us to compute for the radius of the hemisphere, which we're going to have here C in R. This line here computes for the volume of the hemisphere, and then we're able to print out by using this line here. So C out, volume of hemisphere equals the volume we're in, whatever value that we're going to have here. So let's run our code, and then let's look at the output. So it's asking us to input the radius of the hemisphere. We input 1, enter, and we have here the value of 2.09439. So that's good. Now if you recall in our previous example, if we change the value here, let's say pi is equals to 2, our compiler will not allow this action because this is already constant. Well, there's another way for us to declare constant variables or variables here. To do that, we're going to use the sharp or hash-defined preprocessor. To do that, you could place most of the preprocessor are declared in this area. To start with, you just type here hash define followed by the name of the variable, in this case pi, and then just type in the value 3.14159. Okay, and we will not have a semicolon here. Now, if we make this a remark, what it will do is that it will still compute for the value. So let's run it again. So the answer here is 2.09. Let's run the program again to check. And then let's input 1, enter. The value is the same. In most cases, if you have constant variables, I would suggest that you declare it in this section where you're going to use the sharp or hash defined preprocessor keyword. All you need to do is to use this keyword, hash defined, followed by the variable, and then the value that you're going to assign. Take note, you will not be using anymore the equal operator and the semicolon here. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.